Hi guys, welcome to our next section of this little workshop. I think video's better for me. In fact I hate doing video of myself, but when I'm watching video and learning visually, I think I retain more of it. So thanks for being here, and hope this helps. I hope that all this work we're putting into these videos is actually helping you guys and you find it valuable. One thing I wanted to talk about was actually your camera. So your phone, whatever it is, iPhone, Samsung, it really doesn't make a huge amount of difference with the quality of image. There's different features in different phones, but some of my best shots were on my iPhone 5S. So just know that. Don't feel discouraged if you don't have the latest and greatest, because that's just not the case. It's really, composition is a big one, how you shoot, angles, letting in the light and things like that. So anyway, don't worry about your phone, don't worry about your hardware, just keep practicing and you'll be the expert in no time. Here's Ryder, he's modeling for us and he's moving. So remember we talked about locking. So when I lock that and it does the AEAF lock, I'm locking the focus and the exposure. And then I can go up and down, and this is on the iPhone. And we gave you some tips on Android as well. And then I can snap. Now if Ryder moves and jumps, will you get wet if you jump? If Ryder moves and jumps to me, this is where you can use burst mode. And burst mode, you keep that lock on him. It's actually not going to stay on the subject though, it's going to stay in the frame. So if he moves over here to this side of the frame, he's not in focus anymore. But I can move my camera with him to keep that focus. So now watch, when he goes and, can you just run to me? I'm going to hold it down. And he stays on focus the whole time. And there's here's my camera roll. And it says I took 18 pictures in this burst mode. So in burst mode, it's really a fun little feature, so you can snap motion. Now I have 18 pictures in my camera roll, so that does take up some space. But say I like that one. Maybe I like that one. And maybe I like that one. So now I'm going to say I selected 3 photos and I click done. And it says keep everything or keep only 3 favorites. Well, I'll just keep the 3. And then I'm not taking up a lot of space in my camera roll. So now I have those 3 pictures that I use the burst mode on. All right, moving subject. Oh my word. Coda, hi. You want to go run and show us what you got? A boy and his dog. Okay, Ryder, have her run so I can show them how to do burst mode. All right, one of those has got to work. Okay guys, so once you have taken the series of photos in burst mode, you're going to open up that image, click select at the bottom, and then choose the photos that you'd like from that series. In iOS, you're going to check mark on that bottom right, and then you can keep them all still or just keep only the favorites that you've selected. This should be similar in Android phones as well. All right, you guys, get out there and practice your burst mode. Can't wait to see what you shoot.